Also, then if we take a look at the drive folder, our course drive folder, it's the same thing for COM 319. This is COM 102 318. I also have 319. Here is a folder for the research essay, first draft, peer report, and final draft. So since you're going to have 3 documents in this particular activity in this folder, you should go into it and you want to build yourself a folder. Like I have built a folder here using my last name. Oh, I even have a peer review report. So let's go back. Same thing like the double entry journal template. Here is the report form. I'm going to go into the report and I want everyone to make a copy first. Make a copy. Click on the copy. Rename the copy. Okras. Okay, RA_. Let's just do that. All right, so now I have my copy. So what's it like to write an extensive first draft? Now give the peer reviewer a targeted list. Here is where you write your peer report. And then the reviewer will fill in here and answer your report. And then here are some prompts for the reviewer number 1 and reviewer number 2. So when you're reviewing somebody's essay, you do write into their own report. So let me close this out. Peer review report. I left this. Research essay. Let's put this in here. So I have already a couple of examples in my folder. Here's one peer review report I worked on earlier. Here I put my name in, comment here. Well, I thought it was beneficial. It was my comment. I'm starting to write my report. Does my organization make sense is one of the 3 things that I wanted a reviewer to take a look at. So you're going to come up with 3 things. Then the reviewer is going to come in here, put their name in, answer my report, and then I have some additional prompts here. I'll cover this again a little bit more in the research, well, I should say later on in the lecture video, okay? But you can see now if I go here, I've got a couple of documents in my folder. There you go. This is my folder. So you're going to have 3 documents or more in your folder. So the idea here is to create the folder and drop your documents in there and everybody can find your draft and peer report. Okay, phew, that sure is a lot for one weekly screencast video. So once again, exercise 4.3, the first draft and the peer report. I will start looking at drafts as they come in to the folders. I will review them. So if you have any questions or issues about this week's activities, let me know. I will, like I said, produce a lecture video later in the week. Good luck.